Hey guys, it's Ian with MULE Expedition Outfitters, and we are stoked to showcase that we have our load of GFC that we just received, and we just want to kind of highlight the GFC product very quickly. So GFC is known for their topper style options with all the bells and whistles that you can do with those, but also they're a lightweight option. So for those that don't want a complete overland build, they just want to be quick and dirty, GFC is a great option for that. It's light and it's functional for day-to-day use. GFC started with their camper style, which is going to be a canopy with a built-in tent that's a wedge style. Then they incorporated just a topper style, which is going to be for day-to-day use that you just don't want to do anything to it, or maybe you already have a rooftop tent you want to add to it. But then they also have their rooftop tents for the SUV market. So really GFC is hitting all those categories: your camper, your day use, or your SUVs. And what's great about us being their installer is we can do all the things that complement these. So not only are we installing the topper, the cap, or the rooftop tent, we're doing all the things that accommodate it, like awnings or interior lighting or suspension, wheels and tires. We can do all of that. So for those of you that don't know, we're a full vehicle upfitter. We start from the ground up. We can do all of it for you to make your vehicle better for you. Not just a McDonald's menu. We want to fit your needs, not what everyone on social media needs. If this is something that interests you, reach out to one of our 3 stores. We've got Washington, Oregon, and Arizona. We'd be happy to help you make your vehicle what you need it to be.